How to contact Xiaomi customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact Xiaomi's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact Xiaomi's customer support, because maybe you purchased one of Xiaomi's products and you're facing issues with it, you want to contact the service center or customer care. Now, depending upon whichever country you're from, type in Xiaomi customer care and type in your country at the end to find specifically the service centers near your country or your area. So when you do that, you'll find authorized service center for your country that you can call, and you can directly call those numbers. But if you're looking for a generic customer support from Xiaomi for other type of reasons, whatever you might be having, then you can go to their support.contact us button over there. You can see, and you can call for various countries. You can see various customer support number. I'll make sure to drop this official link in the description box, and you can call these numbers to contact Xiaomi's customer support. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.